a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to management, Angel, Matt, and Alex, for coming down to AST and stepping in to cover classes. Your support and dedication mean the world to us. A huge thank you as well to our amazing Thai staff, Sky, Pin, Proud, Pun Pun, and Film for giving 110% through these tough times. Your hard work, resilience, and team spirit keep us going. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Welcome to AST Anuban Surah Tani School, where education meets excellence. Our English program is more than just learning a language, it's about unlocking a world of opportunities for every child. At AST, we believe that learning should be creative, engaging, and inspiring. Our students don't just memorize, they explore, discover, and create in an environment that nurtures curiosity and confidence. With innovative teaching methods, hands-on activities, and a global perspective, we ensure that each student develops the skills they need to succeed in the future. One of the unique aspects of our program is the Pen Pal program, which connects our students with international friends from around the world. This experience expands their horizons, enhances their communication skills, and gives them a real-world application for their English learning. It's a fun and meaningful way to foster cultural understanding and build lifelong friendships. Another highlight is our Around the World camp, where students immerse themselves in the cultures, traditions, and languages of different countries. Through interactive activities, food tastings, and exciting projects, they develop a deep appreciation for global diversity, making learning both fun and meaningful. We are proud to uphold the highest standards in education, and our success speaks for itself. Our students consistently achieve a 100% gold medal rate in competitions, proving their excellence in academics, language proficiency, and beyond. This outstanding record reflects our commitment to nurturing champions and setting the bar for success. With dedicated teachers, modern facilities, and a dynamic curriculum, we provide an environment where students grow into independent thinkers, confident communicators, and lifelong learners for the best start to a bright future. BFITS.